Yada say yam wa kwa benen somra Adom TV Badwam dwumade no eso ewom se ya hyase wonum tuomo na ne yadu so no eye kase no ntifeme yen omre kakra na tie nsam ahodo ekoso ewo memu edoso nti ne etodwa omu bi ya wobetini tase adrobafo ya wo ministries na wode dwumayfo free ministries ya konkroma circle so efise na adwuma no nyakra ye de honsam no ebebro na fe ya boawra snit Womo hotels ahodo no a nsia no a womo eton ama Rock City no ya de said National Pensions Regulatory Authority mpanifo se womo entwentwen so kakra no ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 or share live on YouTube Adom TV Tube bidin de afia amankwa tamakulu afia ni dem yentie se de nsam ni twemu ankasa etie Adwumayfo free Accra ministries yakwa Nkrumah circle ene oni Adom kase di nkomo kire se ene di adwuma no nyakra sales no enko se de na ankete di na ne se closak wo strike no enyo haw ewo so
Efa mejine eye Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana eye closak wo head office ana mu hui siedemo ebepie ewo ministries Efa eye asoye ahodo womo offices ewo nkran ya ahyen ewa ha a ye taxi bi ana womo elodu womanfo a womo efiri ha ekọ Kwame Nkrumah circle ene empatem ahodo na Adom news nsentwofo ebepie ha no Adom trotro so no ye ne a taxi fo ewa ha twetwe nkomo no na womo ede atu yenim se enam se closak striker womo ekoyi enya nsonsoanso pa womo adwuma womo eye ne so openi e bebisa nsonsoanso be na closak strike enya womo adwuma izo
closak strikes in the my affecting because only madwuma tama amam for badwuma na swati na passengers no intino amaye so han kakra sa
tama no mon call strike ne net sen na ahokeka no mo ba ekọ ana sen munya sen ze no musika sen ne kofom
affecting say passengers ni ba na be fa bia ko bona ma obegina on sa kabana nka akra ya maka kasi bia but assortment kasi na ka o circle enti do benya bia na jaw ko to strike na affecting abana ya pan to say ja on ni request na ja on farmer so be badwuma yeso no yeso betimi ajadwuma
all right me taxi driver onu so ewo mensani fe so enkodi nkomo na onu nso memisa no se eja closer for strike enya nsonsoanso bi wo madwuma izo
oh more or less na enya but enya sak no mokwa ka ha wo se nipa ene na mapa but since omokọ sak no ama ha yedi kakra
eba ne se na omokoya ama nka mokai nka we ayama tuko
the crazy say no nipa no ba na obenya
so akase no so now so for employment and labor relations so Ignatius Bafowua said National Pensions Regulatory Authority mpanifo age atomu sasnet wo mo share se wo hotel mu ohamunche mu adu siano won mo age atomu se yenton de nanso yade se National Pensions Regulatory Authority editor snit anim said ye one Rock City yere de ommo ensensen kakra mu nsam no Adom kase etwaso
Gary came up with a directive, but I will appreciate if my brother, my colleague, really read the directive from MPRA. It said it needed to be furnished with all information relating to the sale of the hotels, which SNIS has since done that. So it wasn't like a direct decision that SNIT should not go ahead to do anything, but then SNIT can only go ahead when NPRA, which is the regulator within the field, had actually certified that they had seen all the documentation and the processes and they think that they are good to go. So as a minister, I can tell you on authority that NPRA has since indicated that they had seen the processes and they think that
Yatwa Kasiano so Nane Accra High Court and so say Men's Gold Penny Nana appear mensa ni case awade eba yes someone this year the Aquadam Court womuni manua was say case bia ni hontie won fa ho defense emma no ya boss ansem no ego ama justice ns osuda pa akire mu se owo case into omra no mebiem na afi obi anti afane afane ehu ba bia ho nsem no ebekwa akosie
Bank of Ghana ede abetudwa se enye bo apayo se banks ahodo bia womo eje womo nkrata efiri womo nsem abrofo kasem ye kan clean up no na mum eye reporter womo ensa kaye ana womo nso etu so anamon womo de aba betudwa se empenifobia na womo edi djuma ewo saa banks ahodo emu asese womo aye wona adwene se womo epese womo enya enyintumu se womo ekoye empenifo ahodo ewo banks bi no emra ema ho kwan kra ema safo no entimi entusa anamon.
We've been constrained. Every company has liabilities. I mean, companies lose money all the time, right? So it breaks our heart that people have had to suffer this unintended consequences. It breaks our heart, right? But we are before a criminal court. And if you know what the criminal court establishment is about, it is not a remedial court. It is a punitive court, a punitive and by extension a reformative court, right? So you come before a criminal court, you are not here to remedial, you are not here to remedy a situation by way of coming to pay debt. You are here, it is you against the state. So if they find you culpable, a punishment or a punitive sanction is imposed. So we are very happy. We want to exhaust this. Once we, by the grace of God and our firm belief in God Almighty, once we're able to exhaust this, then I believe we can, the state may decide to go to the civil court. And at that point, we'll be happy to, make the necessary payment, discharge our payment, obligations to our customers.
Bambofo the reporter fa baba wa Lois abena krantin ya nanui 8th June wahwere ne nkwa ya yenhunu mo antiase no womo de call kolebu ema pathologist apapai no ene enema hodo a enam so bi ne se bi ensho afa no ebi nsa ne home esiye ni nyina no ensam a ewo won hwehwemu na ye papa no won mo ehunu na nso ni nyina mu na abusia no efemfem won mo aso edo na bambofo ede tudwa so ombekoso a na nsam no won de echi
ayahum mobusome da etoso nwatwe afempi menu adunu na emo na Ghana posifo enya antiyese ababa bia wanya mfrinhye adunu na ya ne dinde Lois abena kranten akopie mu ewo hotel bi ya watakrade ya wawu eda sutade swimming pool a ewo honum enum no ma baye so dikopie mu ewo ayaresabia wodene duru ho no obo amane ese waye nyamedia sada no aso ana posifo ehyaase enhwemu ede efa ensam ne ho a wonum esan ekọ bia ya odi ababa na mu koto wa ayaresabia hokokwe ya ohunu se ahyensodie bia ne ho akire se obidi bibi aka no wonum epaapa mu no edanwa edehwe se ade ba ade krampo na namso a ababai ewuye ya omo kire se asfizia eka ho bi akomemu yare eka ho bi na fei so ebra wodo asuko ewonsuo no mu a wanya mframa bia ahome no enso ka ho bi na oto anana mo ansie do ababai busuafo kire mu a saa ensam a ababeto dwa no wona ni nye ho kra afei so aposifo kwan a ofa so ne won edin kaso bomu asem no ho no enya ade ana eye papa biasa ena nam so ma enrada kitansa bosome de to so du aposifo mpanimfo ne abusuafo akasa wo bigina baabi na mekasa eso a omudi achopa ama abusua se nyebo apayo so enti ena wantumi ne abusuafo eni din komosa wonum de atodwa se wo hye wo mbose kwan bi obefa so a nipa bonfo wodi sa abone no odo won beba krata mu no obefa so na afi wo mu ede no aba abetwena so.
Accra Regional Security Council, Regional Minister Daniel Ni Kwate Titus Glover, Eda wano no de kokobope mu den na ma de hie bi a won de wani akosi Dodowa Forest Reserve no ho. Wonya construction bi a won mo ye no, wo munya wi a kire resek nso ko na nanu matran konwa won kran ene won akodi nkomo yi.
Mesreba ye be hyeda ba ha abeduanuanua ne nyina na ma division commander no minna kasa mommo bi antu ne nan ensi kwae mu ya mommo bibia kwan montu ne nan ensi a obi abedo ye be kye no no akono so okita krata say odo no wanya judgment say Dodowa sha asase no ye ne dia no onfambra regional coordinating council diansu de wo ho no ye de be free house of chiefs ye de be free nya no ave ne de sinsie nani adai kwae no na kita Dodowa is more of a tourist attraction. And so it has a preservation that recognizes the Gadangbe tradition. When you talk about Dodoroa, we know what it meant to us.
Wofri hono abidwafoi eko Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs and Nansensra no no wo mu kwetwetwe nkomo efa enime bia ekoso ewo mantem ne kwan a ahensem a esori no obetimi esiesie na bonsase ehu ban osan hyiamu ne mu no nkramantem suafo e de boss kese emrochian e ma nanan mahemfo sebe a akoni abedie betimi akonkan ode to wanim se won so abayasene na enema pa e wo so ye mamantem no wontimi nye.
I'm here to seek the support and the blessing of Nime Kename Kenaneme. And I'm here formally as the regional minister. I cannot do this work all alone. I will need your support. I will need your prayers. This job as a regional minister is a very peculiar one. And as a human being, I'm fallible. That is why I want your blessings, I want your full support, and I want your love and encouragement, because the task ahead is so huge. And I'm here.
That was so now Environmental Protection Agency EPA Penny4 and Kasaifa said the nei galamse say yensuo. Then what you can run on the Gumuntainians and so bonnet away a pomodemo. What's se want you who in Frumu, Yaman Boni or Wabono, Bantam no emo Christian of Yukuma at Wasso.
On say legal mine, no, there were a panel for Supi, a good deal, a good room. Bacon a vein of cyanidation, that is the use of cyanide, and a bacosia amalgamation, the use of mercury. Now, cyanidation in the illegal mine is not as a moment, and I am not here. So I used to was mining, we used to cyanide every few. It's all you can see it. Yes, since I saw your money, a mercury. So far, mercury never do so no a group in Sonoma, the people in Sonoma, the Bilra sediment, the Bilra agreement. Agreement, I remember mercury at the airport. Research say levels are eggrono, a baby, a sepa.
Regional Manager no and the Forestry Commissioner no ewo Bono Francis Brobe and so Edin Semse and a Tudra.
And then she am kwayemu oba onmo etwenua awiene najo oba omo illegal farming dia ewa na nyame adom se de be ka no yani stakeholders eguso den oba ha ye rapid response yani agency holders so afa obi pa maka ho ayi ne kabomu a anadwene awia ikabomu ye stage nyane se yani ya kokoto so do bia ejire kakra sometimes ne bi mu ade bi se okutwa kra awia anhwa na anya hwe enti yani police for ne be get go eguto ti nyakopon gwa ne timi chi obi a yentimi amwa na yentimi policy enough no money hu se de ayi obi a bema ehun abom kakra.
Professor Beche Esiedu no and a dean of school our university school pomo and so editudwa say
and School of Natural Resources here we University of Energy and Natural Resources no yes get the omo fa natural resources no nyina no omo adwuma mo ho ye do omo beba school me ha omo bebre no so eba aban mu hihye ya omo ka ho teacher so omo ko omo adwuma mu a na san hihye bi wo ho no ma omo timi am so ebia
Mayentua so na Ga Central Municipal Education Directorate no na FBC so hwe ekosui one more MNC mo wan hunu se akwada bia afefuro. Director of Education woman simu ya Adisa Tata ochiremu se yentete ne kasachire ya one day ema emebunu no ogidi yese no so ka ho pa enti ene kobasa woni adom kase edin komoyi.
Empower girls no yema omudi omuhudi. See, they are capable of doing so many things. Na establish a clubs. Omo peer counseling ni nasifu. Nti amase isi obi a pese obeko nanim. Na free education na aba no. Onim se wan jure ne ho a ono obeka kire na ne base no. Akwa dia no. Nti obi a yire ne ho se opese onko school ni bi. Yes.
nti enu nti na yesusu si this time pregnancy sem ama
Adom kase ene adesuafo bi atwetwe enkomo no wo kire se so hwe ne se de wasi atwere no wogidi se obetwa
ayo kena invigilators no so mo strict omo yo mejuma tere e ka so mo na like the teachers na train so and no na buy ti yes your boy homodin na atro
every person dey koyi pa dey use na eba dey expect na na eba nti every person dey koyi pa
so usua ade a ubetima ye pa question ni bi wa mo bisa ehia adwenjen kakra na so usua ade a na usua ni ye a ne de ubetima ye pa
na wo Asante Achim North mensimu Asante Mantemu no enkwada mienu awo ena mienu nso afefuro na numu no Adom kase na education director Mildred kwache ejapon di nkomo a wo chire mu se school 4700 na one more etron so hwe no
ya presented emufra 1700 omuchro enso hwe no emu 860 mema na 840 ma ye hwe HIV se ne yekoso na eno na edi manchechere na emufra na edwane afi abrabobone a omobo nti afi nursing mothers mi ni nyae pregnancy so enya mienu na ni nyina mu no yehu se improvement abem pa yegusu kasa kire se memma BEC ni nsowa so hwe ne ba no mutwa ombekọ omanim nti me hye omunkran se memma ne ma ni nyina omobekọ fie akọtwen omso hwe nanim no nka se omawie school nti omu nsua de biem se abefo aba internet wo ho ombetumi asua de online ko se omso hwe ne beba ne paso a nyame adom free SHS nti ye no areshem se omu nyina betumi adi nkonim na omso atumi enjoy free SHS last year ye record 100% we areshem se ye betumi anya 100% biem
pani ya waya kofare by ma National Liberation Congress ye Steven na tubiga na woche mo MPP yi Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempesa running mate ne de hu na abasha parties ahodo no mu party tu ene NDC nya so no eni
ndi na podi 60% ba beka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho Mahmoud Bawumia north side okura 30% in his capacity and I'm say party ni Asante podi no na podi 60% never involved nti we very strategic intimate so born na podi odin so the missy ene you because Napo your president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia choose no I shaking the foundation of all political parties Napo enemy mama na Najina Napo Johnny Walker Napo Red Label what you say Napo whiskey mami who do we compare aya patachi me mama te say pan one local pan one tapa because who do we jino so munye debater I say we are going to
wasan edi tudwa se ensese amanfo ahwe Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe ni suban na emum wo mu hwe enema papa owo betimi edi abo oman
mo answer mbeka se Napo eya hombaso no wara bi no masa Ghana haye pesa yenya ka se we edi bonia ne edi aso me enya no kure enjeji obi a wasasi so nya wo bonida enjeji obi a se nipa ne ekrofo nipa ne ese dabi me hu ne sa be nipa no na enwore aba nipa no su ne ba otimi ya adwuma no obetimi aye the most important thing is nipa no betimi amagana for hato no enye ne suban ye ntu so aba se wa ho fenti
Menya no sona Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pe ye de asie ne ada wase se wo fam ye wo mre na kakra de hwe ye na emum ye bekoso aka trel se ene ye ntena se de obonkrata no se online stories no so ye de bremo se no so se ne na sectorial debate ye she asie entiane ye ntena na energy hu nkomo no TMPP TNDC stakeholders a won so mata ewo energy mo so wa ha ye de energy ye adwuma se ye hyen se ye gas se ye de nyina ye ntie wo mienu e de ye mu baako na be fro banwa no ntie dru ho no ototo papa so a na se ye ne yabo ama no atie se obeka ye e wa Adom TV Badwam so ti wadaroma koso ana ne ye ntena bra wo hyen live on YouTube Adom TV 2 and Facebook /Adom TV ye kwaba